Hi guys, today we'll be learning about how to protect your workbooks in Excel, like setting passwords to view your workbook and separate passwords to edit your workbook, and restricting editing for few sets of cells, and having to setting passwords for those few sets of cells if you want to give access for someone else to edit it. And also we'll be looking on the two lookup functions, that is HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP.
So I'll be telling how to create workbook passwords. It's basically creating a password for an entire Excel sheet, and there can be given a two passwords, one for modifying the document or one just for the entire file. So now we go to files, passwords. Here we type in a password to open the file. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in order to modify the sheet, you can give the same password or even a different one. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And I re-enter my password. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I save it. Control plus yes. Now let me show you. I just close my Excel sheet and then I open it once again. Now it's asking for the password. So it's basically 1, 2, 3, 4. And now if I give my modification password, I can modify the entire sheet. Else, I can only view it in a read-only mode. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you go. This is open. And now you just don't want any passwords. You go to File, Passwords, and just remove the passwords and give OK and save it. Control plus yes. So now, I'm supposed to close it. I'm sorry. Yeah, now I'll open it. It won't require any passwords actually. Yeah.
Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how to use protecting worksheet and protecting workbook. So first we need to go to review, and then here we have an icon called protecting workbook. This is used keeping others from making structural change to your worksheet, such as moving, deleting or adding sheets. So other people cannot do anything. You should click protect worksheet and then put a password. Press OK and then re-enter the password, then click OK. Now if you right click on this, you can see that the delete option, the rename option and all has gone. So this is how we use protect workbook. Now we'll use protect worksheet. You should just click on protect worksheet and then again re-enter a password, then click OK, then again re-enter the same password. So now even your cells will be protected. With this unprotecting sheet, you can also do with a single one, like sales amount. If you only want to log the sales amount, drag the sales amount and then press protecting sheet. Press protecting sheet, like click it and then re-enter. So this only the cell amount will be protected.
So the topic which I'm going to explain today is VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP is used when we need to find things in a table or a range by row. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup, and as the name specifies, it helps you look for a specified value by searching for it vertically across the sheet. So I've taken this data and I'm gonna tell what should be done to find a specified data. So first we have to type VLOOKUP and then select the data which we need to find the ID number for. So for example, I'm choosing Zara fashion and comma. I want to find the ID number for Zara fashion. So I'm choosing these two columns, and the column number of the ID number is column 2, comma, and since I want like the exact match of the ID number, I'm gonna like type false and type exact match. So if we do this, it's gonna show the ID number of Zara Fashion. Similarly, if I want to find the ID number of Coca-Cola, I'm gonna do the same, like click VLOOKUP and click Coca-Cola here, and select these two columns, and then column ID number is in the column 2, so 2, and false because I need the exact match. So if I do this, I'm gonna get the ID number of Coca-Cola. Similarly, if I do this for all of the companies, I'm gonna get the column ID numbers of all the companies. So this is how VLOOKUP works, and this is one easy way of finding out the rows and columns of each item.
Hi guys, I'll be talking to you all about HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP is the same as VLOOKUP, but except it works in the horizontal way rather than in the vertical way. HLOOKUP is used when your data set is in rows like this and not like this. If it's VLOOKUP, your data set can be used. You can use VLOOKUP and your data set is like this. Lookup function, and you all can look up whatever you all want. And so if you all want to use the HLOOKUP function, first is equal to as your for any function you want, and HLOOKUP will come up, and I'll just press the tab key. And first is the lookup value. So lookup value is what you want to look under. So the lookup value, you all can choose this cell, and then the next one is the table of arrays. So the table where your data is entered and from where you want to look up. So you'll select the table, and next is the row or index numbers. So which row you all want to look into. So the company name will be the first row. So if you all want to look at the sale amount, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be the fourth row you all want to look into. And the next is like if you want an approximate match or an exact match. Like if you choose approximate match, it mostly might not give you all the correct answer you want. So you'll choose the exact match, that is false, and then close and enter. So as you all can see, the sale amount for Nike is 6,197, and you'll get the exact figure. So suppose you're going to change this into Coca-Cola. So now you can see that the figure has changed, 5,436, and here also it has changed to 5,436. The thing with you'll have to enter the exact values. Like suppose I'm just entering Coca-Cola, you'll not get the figure because like there is no cell named Coca-Cola in this row, so you'll not get the figure, and you'll have to enter the exact same thing. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.